Good morning, Happy New Year. We're supposed to warm up a little bit today, so I thought I'd clean out my stovepipe. Starting to get pretty smoky again. And I can always tell when it starts to get smoky in here, it's either time to clean a stovepipe or my wood is kind of wet. So I tried to make this as easy as possible. But I usually wait till it warms up because working with cold stovepipe just kills my hands. So this stovepipe is actually real pipe, so it takes a while to warm up. So the way I join it together is soup cans and hose clamps. So I got one joint here, one up there. It's actually not looking that bad. Yeah, just look at all that. It's all set. There's my stovepipe. It's been worse than that, but I'm still going to clean it out. So here's my fancy homemade stovepipe cleaner. It's a toilet brush on a stick. And of course I trimmed it down to fit my stovepipe. You have to be careful, it goes in really easily, but it's much more difficult to pull out, just the way these bristles are. Oh yeah, just black. So my wood stove is burning much better now. I got my exhaust fan running just to clear out any excess smoke. I'm thinking this wood here must have some moisture in it. This is just free scrap wood from work, so maybe during the summer it got exposed to some rain. I try to bring in some and let it dry out by the wood stove, but I'm going through it so quickly it just doesn't have time to dry.